Leveraging on our operational experience, BeeX is proud to launch our second autonomous inspection drone, BETTA. Our flagship drone AECOM release proves that autonomy brings consistent and reliable data. With BETTA, we bring power. BETTA is designed to be a market mover. Our engineering team designed and built BETTA to be the most advanced autonomous inspection drone in the industry. Firstly, BETTA has a 10 times battery capacity upgrade, allowing for maximum lateral current fighting capabilities for maximum endurance in all environments. Spot cleaning to conduct detailed inspection is now possible. Yet, we ensure that all these upgrades are not attached to the typical trade-offs in size. At less than 300 kg, BETTA shares the same simple logistics and deployment methods as our flagship drones. Secondly, BETTA is designed for more work scopes. Underwater work that once required multiple vessels, systems, long lead times can now be condensed into a single swift deployment. Her sensors are upgraded to achieve IHO compliance survey data. Instead of conducting survey and inspections separately, customers can now acquire acoustics, visuals, cathodic protection, and electromagnetic data all at once. Lastly, but most importantly, BETTA is designed for intelligence at scale. Its edge computing capabilities for AI and machine learning have been upgraded to enable more robust and responsive decision-making even in low visibility and around complex structures. This intelligence unlocks maximum productivity, especially when multiple drones can independently inspect multiple structures in the same inspection mission window. As the demand for underwater capabilities grow, so does our drone's autonomy and capabilities. We are more than excited to launch BETTA as the new standard for autonomous underwater operations at scale.